If you find it difficult to choose a Cosrx cream, then this video is perfect for you. We'll be looking at their textures, their benefits, and how they can suit your skin type and skin concerns. So keep watching. First, we have the Cosrx Oil-Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion with Birch Sap. Now, this is an oil-free moisturizer formulated with 70% birch sap that refreshes your skin and provides it long-lasting hydration. Its gel formula is well suited for oily skin and it helps with dryness, dullness, and even redness. If you're worried that a moisturizer will make your skin even more sticky, give this one a try instead. Next, we have the Cosrx Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. This is a multi-purpose moisturizer enriched with 68% rice extract and 2% niacinamide to brighten, nourish, and hydrate skin. Moisturizer works for oily and dry skin. You can use it as a wash-off mask, a regular cream, or a thick sleeping mask depending on your skin type. For best results, start by using it a little bit at a time. Now, if you have oily or dehydrated skin, then the birch sap lotion is perfect, but if you have normal to dry or dull skin, then the rice mask will suit you best. Now, the Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream is quite a multi-purpose product. It's a hydrating cream with 92% snail mucin, which nourishes and moisturizes skin. Its texture is perfect if you have normal to dry skin, and it helps soothe inflammation, redness, and acne, and also promotes skin healing and elasticity. It's best applied on damp skin, and its gel cream-like texture requires only a small amount for easy application. Snail mucin also strengthens the skin barrier, and long-term use will leave your skin with a nice nourished glow. Don't forget to apply it on your hands and body if you need extra conditioning. Now, if you have very dry or damaged skin, then you will love the Cosrx Balancium Comfort Ceramide Cream. This is a balm-like, non-greasy cream that soothes and strengthens damaged skin, and it uses 3 types of RX ceramides to strengthen and repair a damaged barrier. So if you've over-exfoliated or your skin is damaged from a lot of breakouts, then this cream is really going to help strengthen and repair it. It also uses 3 types of medical-grade Centella Asiatica to repair and soothe your skin. It also locks in moisture, so your skin, nails, etc. will all stay moisturized through the day. Keep watching for a comparison of the textures. We hope this helped, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.